Zika virus, a dangerous manipulator. The Zika virus, infamous for causing microcephaly in newborns, has baffled scientists with its devastating impact. Unlike its relatives dengue and yellow fever, Zika possesses a sinister ability. It crosses the placental barrier, infiltrating the developing fetus and disrupting brain development. Unveiled, the protein hijacked by Zika. Researchers have uncovered a chilling mechanism behind Zika's effects. The virus exploits a host protein, Unveiled, which is crucial for brain development, to enhance its replication. This manipulation turns Unveiled into an accomplice, creating virus factories within human cells. The formation of virus factories. Once inside a host cell, Zika's protein NS4A interacts with Unveiled, forming pockets near the endoplasmic reticulum. These pockets act as efficient assembly lines for the virus while shielding it from the immune system's watchful eye. Why Zika stands out? But why does Zika cause microcephaly while dengue and yellow fever don't? The answer lies in its unique ability to cross the placental barrier, targeting the fetus where Unveiled plays a pivotal role in brain development. Other mosquito-borne viruses are blocked by this protective barrier. Dual hosts, shared vulnerability. The plot thickens. Zika doesn't just exploit Unveiled in humans. In collaboration with researchers at the University of Nevada, scientists revealed that the virus uses the same strategy in mosquito cells, showing how deeply this interaction is rooted in its life cycle. A step toward hope. This discovery opens a window for future interventions. By targeting the NS4A-ANKLE2 interaction, scientists hope to develop treatments or vaccines to combat Zika and related viruses. With Unveiled being a shared Achilles heel among these viruses, the fight against mosquito-borne diseases may see new hope. Thanks for watching. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell for further notification.